Welcome to Futurebytes, where young minds explore the exciting world of robotics and coding. Featured as the best Bay Area summer camp for the years 2022, 2023, and 2024, our program offers an exceptional experience for aspiring tech enthusiasts. Introducing Minecraft Modding for Kids, a fun and interactive course for students aged 7 to 11. Learn how to create your own Minecraft mods and bring your ideas to life. In this course, you'll use tools like Visual Studio Code and Fabric API to design and build mods. You'll learn beginner programming concepts such as event handling, variable manipulation, conditionals, and functions. Work together in small groups to extend gameplay elements within Minecraft. Gain valuable experience in creative problem solving, teamwork, and basic coding principles. Imagine the fun you'll have experimenting and building unique mods every day. By the end of the course, you'll be familiar with the tools and environment used in Minecraft modding. You'll understand Java programming basics and be able to create and handle events within Minecraft. The possibilities are endless. Register now at www.futurebytes.tech using the discount code FBSC24 and follow us on social media to stay updated. We look forward to seeing you at a Futurebytes camp. Let's shape the future, one byte at a time.